Hi everyone, welcome to Storytime at Fairfield County Library. My name is Messina and I am so excited for Storytime today. It's summer reading, so we're doing hybrid Storytimes. That means that we're going to do Storytimes in person at the library and online here. The in-person Storytimes are going to start same time the videos go up, so for you guys that means 10:30 in Monday mornings. Okay. Now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for story time? This week, our theme is ocean animals. That means this week we're going to read about other kinds of animals who live in the ocean but aren't fish, such as whales and crabs and octopi. Okay, our first book is I Am Not a Fish, written and illustrated by Peter Raymundo and published by Dial Books for Young Readers. Hello there. My name is Edgar, and I'm a jellyfish. Hello, Edgar. Of course, jellyfish aren't actually fish at all. It's kind of confusing. Boy, do we understand that. Starfish aren't fish either. We have arms, for crying out loud. And our skeletons are on the outside. Who came up with these silly names anyway? Well, I think it all started when those pesky humans drove in and started labeling everything. Cod, giant squid, bubbles, kelp, anemone, shark. The thing is, most creatures ended up with fancy names all their own. Narwhal, nautilus, dolphin, and other names made total sense. Hammerhead shark, yellow tangs, blue tangs, swordfish. But with jellyfish, it's like they took two unrelated words and stuck them together. I understand the whole jelly part. Sometimes I can barely tell the difference myself. Grape jelly, strawberry jelly, sea jelly. But jellyfish? This I never understood. I look more like a plastic bag than a fish. I mean, this is a fish. It has fins and gills and scales. Ouch. I don't have fins, gills, or scales. Because I am not a fish. And everyone always says, Edgar, you're overthinking things. But jellyfish don't even have brains. So I'm not thinking anything at all. Believe me, I've tried to be like the other fish. I've joked around with the clownfish. Hey guys, why did the turtle cross the ocean? To get to the other tide. I don't have a funny bone in my body. In fact, jellyfish don't even have bones at all. I've hung out with the angelfish, but they don't even know what sand angel is. And good luck playing tag when your hands are stinging tentacles. Hey there, Mr. Pufferfish, tag, you're it. This one time, I even got packed in with the sardines. But right when I was finally fitting in, I was tossed aside. Hey, that's not a fish. Throw it back. Ah! Splash! I finally got to a point where I just had to stop and float for a while. You guys go ahead. I'll catch up later. And that's when I started feeling like myself again. After all, floating is what I do best. You know, just talking to this group has helped me realize something. People can call me whatever they want. Squishy thing, gelatinous blob, stingy fish, sea jelly, peanut butter and jellyfish sandwich. No matter what I'm called, I am still me. And that's the best thing you could ever be. Thanks, you guys. I feel better already. I tell you, this group knows how to make someone feel like a star. We're so happy you came, Edgar. Yeah, you've brightened our day, too. Excuse me, I'm sorry to interrupt. My name is Charlie, and I'm a, a seahorse. Hello, Charlie. That was I Am Not a Fish. What'd you guys think? What do you know about jellyfish? Okay, our next book is Breathe by Scott Magoon, published by Simon Schuster Books for young readers. Breathe, little whale. Play all day. And swim, and swim, and swim. Breathe. Dive down deep. Explore. Make new friends. Swim. Listen to the sea. Sing. Breathe. But fear not. Find another way. Swim. Most of all, love and be loved. Dream big, sleep deep tonight. Breathe. Okay, that was Breathe by Scott Magoon. What'd you guys think? The whales in this book are beluga whales. Have you ever heard of that kind of whale before? All right, everyone, thank you for coming to story time. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with story time. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, the craft is this paper bag jellyfish. Its tentacles even move. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. And we have 2 crates, one for Monday story times and one for Wednesdays, so you want to make sure to grab the right kits or you could end up with something completely different than what I just showed you. The kits for this story time are the red ones. They're in the group A crate. New kits come out whenever there's a new story time, but we might have some kits left from last week if you missed it. It never hurts to ask one of the librarians to go check. Maybe ask for me, Miss Nina. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!